Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video we are going to learn how you can redeem your points on Expedia account while trying to book a flight or anything else. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe because we promise to bring you more awesome videos. Without any further ado, let's get started. In order to redeem our Expedia points, what we want to do is we want to simply open up our browser. Now what we want to do is on the top left hand side, you want to head over to expedia.com. If you don't know what Expedia is, then it is actually a flight booking website where you can book for vacations and so on. Once you open expedia.com, you also want to make sure that you're actually logged into your account, because if you're not logged in, obviously you will not be able to redeem your points. So as you can see, the home interface of the application has successfully loaded up. Now what you want to do is make sure you are logged into your account. Now at the bottom of the screen, you want to scroll down, and here you'll find an option called use a credit or coupon, and you can also read a text which says apply a coupon code or credit to a new trip. So what you want to do is simply tap on this button right over here. If you have some points, in order to redeem them, you want to simply tap over here. And as you can see, in my case right over here, you don't have any coupons or credits in your account. Coupons and credits issued for cancelled trips will appear here as soon as they are available. So as you can see that in my case, I currently don't have any type of credit points or any type of coupon codes and so on. But if you do have them, you will see your points over here, and it will show you how you can book them and how you can use them while trying to book a flight. And you will be easily able to do so with the help of all of the instructions over here on the left hand side, which is how to use airline credits as well as how to use coupons. So in this way, you can really easily redeem your Expedia points on your Expedia website or while trying to book a flight. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions regarding this, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.